Hey, so I'm coming live at you from the hallway. But no, actually I was just sitting here because I was listening to um the thunderstorm. Um and there was thunderstorm and rain. So I was listening, I was taking in the beauty of the the rain, and I was listening to the birds, and Hope is sitting here too. Um, so I've been getting a lot of requests on what you guys would like me to do topics on. I can't even keep up, but I'm glad that you guys are doing that because I want to be able to make more videos for you guys and whatever. So, um, this is kind of just like a random video, but um, I was sitting here. I'll show you. Hope was actually enjoying it as well. She's kind of like just hanging out there. But yeah, it was. I apologize if you get like anaphylactic shock um, because I'm walking around with my laptop. So I apologize, like if you're, getting all dizzy and stuff. But it's kind of icky out. It was really, really pretty out before, beautiful, um, because it was really just warm and stuff. And now it's just chilly and rainy, and it was still kind of nice because I was like taking it all in and just kind of, I don't know, it was it was nice to just sit here and kind of take in um, the weather. It was just, I like listening to thunderstorms, although sometimes they do freak me out a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. So, you know, yeah, I don't know. So I figured, I guess people have been making videos about what's in your fridge or what's in your cupboard, and we have a lot of stuff in our cupboards, and I'm scared to kind of show you guys what is in the fridge because I'm sure um, that there's probably some old stuff in there that's not looking good. I don't know, I don't really go in there much. I don't go in there often, only because I try not to. And, just for a lot of reasons, but I do, I try not to go in there. But let's venture and I'll show you guys what is in my fridge or in my cupboards. It's kind of scary and it's getting kind of dark in here. But I'll put the light on, so hang on a second. Okay, let me put you guys here for a minute. So, welcome to the kitchen. If you haven't been in the kitchen before, hi, here's the kitchen. It's nothing big or anything like that, but it's just the kitchen. It looks like I'm not even looking at you guys, but I am. It's because of my glasses. But I am looking right at you. um, Before I show you what's in the fridge, I have a weekend planned that's really, really exciting because, well, for a lot of reasons. And I'm not going to really talk about it much. You'll just have to wait and see after the weekend passes. Yeah. And Mother's Day was the other on Sunday, right? Or the other day, whatever. And my mom got this. She likes grapes. The whole entire house, her kitchen is in grapes. Um, she got some flowers because she loves flowers. And yeah, so okay. Um, Here's the fridge. People are asking what's on the fridge. Basically, just a bunch of magnets from different places that we've been. This magnet right here is from when we went to California and saw the Ellen show. And there's our my nephew, pictures that my nephew made, his ABC thing. There's me, like when I was like 16. Yeah, I know, right? Just a calendar, phone numbers, more drawings that my nephew made down there. And the kitchen over here is like some grapes on the wall. They're actually plates, but they're not like to be used or anything like that. Alright, so let me put you here. Let me put you here for a minute. Put up the fridge. Condiments, lots of them. A lot of them. Now keep in mind, I don't eat any of this stuff, so it's kind of weird showing you. Then there's like the standard, you know, milk, chocolate milk, regular milk, water, pickles, cheese. I love cheese. You can never have enough cheese. Gatorade, eggs, you know, hot sauce, all that good stuff. Hope. There's hope. And then let's get into the freezer. The freezer has just frozen like vegetables, ice cream, some just more frozen vegetables, butter, ice cream again, Stouffer's things and stuff like that. Over here you got your cereals, you got your Honey Nut Cheerios, Raisin Bran. I don't even know what I'm showing you. Cheerios, Raisin Bran. These we got for my nephew. Sprinkles, Cookie Crisp, and just Raisin Bran and stuff like that. Then there's over here, this is like the junk area that I don't like to have anything to do with because it's just all chips and pretzels and cookies. This area is scary for me. I mean, there's chips everywhere and cookies and pretzels, and this is the baking area. That's all baking goods stuff in there. There's more stuff in there. That's crackers, cookies, just more junk stuff, more junk food. Scary. I don't know if you're seeing that, but then in here is like the tea and coffee and stuff like that. Hot cocoa, marshmallows, honey. And then down there in that cupboard, all the way down there, is just like, let me flip you guys. Hang on. Is just, woo, that's bright. it's just like canned goods, you know, um, canned goods, whatever your canned goods consist of, your green beans, peas, whatever, stuff like that. That's what it consists of. So that's what's in the fridge, that's what's on the fridge, that's what's in the cupboards. Nothing all that. I mean, just your standard, I guess, typical kitchen stuff. I don't know. I mean, that's just what we got going on. So, yeah. I told you guys the other day about that quote from Marilyn Monroe, and there it is. I believe that everything happens for a reason. People change so that they can learn to grow, let things go. Things go wrong so that you can appreciate them when they're right. You believe less so you eventually learn to trust no one but yourself. And sometimes good things fall apart so better things can fall together. And Marilyn Monroe said that. It's kind of hard holding this. It's definitely hard holding it. Oh wow, that's weird. There's me in the thing there. So yeah, okay, so I just came live. That did not sound right. I just came here to tell you guys what was in my fridge because it was asked and I answered, and this lighting right here is not good, so I'm gonna go and apologize that the lighting is bad, but it's really dark, and like I said, it's raining and stuff, so the lighting is definitely poor. So I'm gonna go, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow on the plus side, right? Tomorrow is what? Thursday, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. What's in your fridge? On your fridge? In your cabinets? I don't know. I guess that's like the new thing people are doing. My cat is going crazy because she's bug hunting. So yeah. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, and until next time, be kind to one another. Okay? Bye!